Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. I'm your English teacher, Miss Hafsa Babar. Today I'm going to discuss page number 26, 27 and 28 of summer pack of class 2. And today we are going to do various topics on this page. On page number 26, first of all, we are going to do a proper noun. A proper noun is a special name of person, place, animal and thing. In the above block, you can see that different special proper nouns are given. Now direction for this page: choose the correct proper noun for each. Choose the correct proper noun for each common noun. One similar proper noun is given as example. Now you can see that one in first row column common noun is given, and in second proper is given. Now in third proper there are three options. You have to choose the accurate one, that is proper noun. Now weekdays, Tuesday. In the third row column, fun day, holiday and Monday. The correct answer is Monday. Okay student, in this way you can complete this page very easily. Now move towards page number 27. On page number 27, homophones. Homophones are the words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. Circle the correct homophone to complete the sentence. You can see that homophones have different spellings and meanings but have same pronunciation. For example, week, W-E-E-K week, हफ्ते वाला week, and W-E-A-K week, कमज़ोर week. तो सेम यू कैन सी दैट हैव सेम प्रोनाउंसिएशन. दोनों का साउंड एक जैसा है पर दोनों के स्पेलिंग्स और मीनिंग्स डिफरेंट हैं. नाउ मूव टूवर्ड्स दिस पेज. आई वुड लाइक टू बाय और बाय सम कैंडी. तो बी यू बाय मीन खरीदना, बी और बाय के है जरिए है. तो द करेक्ट आंसर इज बाय. BUY बाय. डू यू सी और सी द प्लेन इन द स्काई. इन द फर्स्ट सर्कल, do you see. SEEC mean देखना and SEAC समुंदर. The correct one will be C. The plane, PLANE plane mean जहाज and PLAN plane mean हमवार, सीधा. So the correct one is PLANE plane. Okay students, in this way you can complete this page and I hope you will understand the concept of homophone very easily. Now move towards page number 28. You can see that on page number 28 there is a comprehension paragraph. You have to read the given lines, and the topic of the comprehension is going to the movies. After reading this passage you will able to answer the questions one by one. First of all, the understanding of the paragraph is necessary. Comprehensions mean to understand, to comprehend, समझना. एक दफ़ा आपको पैसेज अच्छी तरीके से समझ आ जाएगा, देन यू आर एबल टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस वन बाय वन. देयर आर 4 क्वेश्चंस ऑन दिस पेज. Okay students, I have just solved the answers of these questions for your guideline and as a sample. I hope you will understand the all pages very well and will able to complete these pages. Okay, thank you. Done from my side. Allah Hafiz. Stay home. Safe lives.